Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have this car here. Is a 5 Series. Okay. We have one key that's already working. This one is work fine. You see. Okay. And if I push the starter, I will be able to start it. Okay. Okay. You see here. So I am going to leave this key here and I'm going to try to add this one. Let me turn the AC off. Car is running. I am going to use my hotel. I put also my programmer there, and let me try to see if we can add a key. Only add a key. This is for adding a key, not all key lost. So I gotta click on BMW. If your system have an update, it's better to update it. It will help you a lot. They add a lot of functions. In BMW, I will go to automatic detection and I will read the VIN number. This is the VIN number of the car. I will say okay. Let me turn the key off, ignition on. Or nothing is there. I just put the hazard on. See what's going to happen. Okay. Say yes. This is class 4. I will go to IMO information, vehicle information. You can have some ideas, maximum 4 keys. And they give you this kind of key, but the one I have is a little different. So I'm going to skip this. IMO scan. You see, it's supposed sometime it will open the ignition. You see, this is what I like on hotel. It will turn the ignition on for you to do the test correctly, and you run everything here. There is some fault code. That's okay. I will just go back to IMO. I will write down. Let me see. Just add a key. Add a key. This process will require a network connection. I have internet already. And then you see, like, you have backup data. They say you need to back up the data, but I don't believe I'm gonna need that. Generate a key, he say. Okay, what I'm gonna do, click OK. Please put a working key that can start the vehicle. Again, is the sensing. This job here is when you have a working key. So this key is working key. I'm gonna put it again as a sensing, and then I click OK. I'm gonna put it here, and I will click OK here. You see it's reading. Place the new key close to the start induction coil. The frequency is 115. It already tell you. So look at this key where you put it. Let's put this one like this. So that one is here. I just put it there exactly. Then I will say okay. Hopefully it's gonna take it 80%. That means it's reading. $90. Key learning success. Place the key close to the induction coil and press the ignition for 10 seconds. So I'm gonna push the ignition for 10 seconds. I am using 2 phones, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So I say okay. I say okay here. Success. That's it. How long it take? Less than 5 minutes. Okay, let me see now. Walk. Let me start it. This key start. Let me move one away. Turn it off. Turn the hazard off. Excuse me. Hold this away for me. Hold this key away. Take this one away. Yeah, I just want to try this one. Yeah. So I took that one away. You see, walk and start the car. Perfectly working. So do I need this one here? I don't need this one at all. You just have to get this one one working key, and you follow the step simply, less than 5 minutes, you will be able to program the car. And now I can go to clear all this code. You see here we have a code here. Ring antenna for engine start detected, no key belong to. Okay, erase this one. I'm gonna erase all the codes. Okay, but it's still car access, car's internal control unit fault. I don't know what that means, but we don't want to touch that one. Okay, skip this one here. I'm gonna go to where here I have 2 faults. If you want to check the fault, it is better to do it from another place, but the most important is I finish this job. Skip this one here. How many code I have again? Transmission, all this. Internal fault, memory full, no control unit fault. Erase also. Okay, permanent. Sometimes you cannot erase no codes. Erase. Yes. Okay. Erase. Yes. Okay. It doesn't go through, so no problem. I don't want to go further, but I already have this one done, and case is closed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. And this work here is for almost any car that have this kind of key, CAS 4 and CAS 4 plus. You want to add the key. This is the sequence. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. Muhammad Harun Idris.